Look at the deer blend in. I scare them at first, but then they realize it's me. Look at the doe, protests of me getting too close, stomping her foot. It's hard for the camera to pick up. They naturally blend in with the light, the background. So many beautiful deer. The does kind of stick together and keep an eye on me, making sure I don't get too close. Stomping their feet here and there. Very interesting behavior. You can see their skin colors changing as spring is starting to come in. Thanks for checking out my video. I know it's not the best quality of lighting, but it is what it is in nature.